again to this amazing video, because today we'll be talking about trying to do everything alone and why it's costing you more than you think, especially when you're trying to make money online. So let me ask you something very honestly. Have you ever felt like you're doing everything on your own? You're watching YouTube videos, you are reading blogs, jumping from idea to idea, but deep down you feel tired, feel confused, even a little discouraged. I know that feeling because that was me some years back. Yes, I was all over the place doing everything on my own. So when I first started trying to make money online, I believe I had to figure out everything for myself. I didn't want to bother anyone. I didn't want to do any learning. I just thought doing it alone will make me feel strong and more confident. But the truth is, doing something alone was actually holding me back. I was wasting a lot of time. I was guessing instead of following the clear path. I was making a simple mistake that could have been avoided. And the biggest mistake of all, I didn't understand the power of email marketing. Yes, email marketing is very important and very powerful. Let me explain something important in a very simple way. Social media is a borrowed land. Your post can disappear, your account can be suspended, your audience can be taken away from you anytime. But your email list is your land. It's your direct line to people who actually want to hear from you, people who trust you, people who are interested in what you have to offer. So when I understood that, everything actually changed completely. So instead of chasing followers, I started building connection. Instead of hoping my post will be seen, started sending value directly to people's inbox. That's what I actually started doing. And I realized that people who make consistent money online are not posting everywhere. They are building relationship through email. Here's the part I need you to hear, and hear very carefully. You don't need to be an expert while doing this. You don't need to have a big budget while doing this. You don't need any experience. You just need the right guidance in email marketing and the right system. And that's why, exactly why I'm putting just a free link and a free training in the description below, which breaks down step by step how beginners can start using email marketing to build an online income from absolutely zero budget. So this is not hype, this is not pressure, just clarity. Yeah. So if this message is hitting home for you, don't ignore it. Yeah. Just go in the link on the description, watch the training, give yourself what actually I gave myself. You are not meant to actually struggle alone in this particular aspect, because I know you can't actually survive on only two on only maybe your salary alone. You can't survive on only one income alone. So what you have to do right now, you just click the link on the description, and that particular link will take you to a small page. You will enter your email, and probably will send you that particular training. Very short training. You'll understand, and at the same time, I'm going to give you a 7-day free email template, which you'll start using immediately. Yeah, because that template has actually helped me a lot actually to nurture my list. And actually with that particular template, I have seen a lot of leads who have actually acquired some of my products, who have actually acquired the products within my email list. Yeah, and I've actually stayed within my email list for even long. So what you have to do is just click the link on the description below. Make sure you actually follow the training. Very short training, not long training. And if you feel like you need some extra support and everything, then you can comment down on this particular video, comment there, and then I'll get back to you. So thank you so much for watching. Please share this video with your friends. Click the notification bell button, so that every time I upload new video, then probably you can have to watch the new videos that I upload. And also share with your friends, and also like and comment within this particular video. So if you feel that this video has actually created value to you, or has actually brought some light bulb around you, then probably kindly feel free to comment, share, and subscribe to this channel, so we can be talking more about email marketing and how to actually start making money online through email marketing. And probably more training will be coming, or more videos will be coming about how to acquire specific traffic that work well with emails, and I'll be showing you what some of those particular traffic also at the same time. So you can even comment below on what you wish me to talk about next. So thank you so much. We'll see you on the next video.